guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe I made chocolate bonbons, but it's more like a cheesecake. So it's cheesecake bites because I made them in small portions. They're pretty delicious and simple to make, so check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Using food processor, process some digestive biscuits. This is 6. To be able to make 3 tablespoons of cookie crumbs. So I'm just gonna use food processor. You can use pestle and mortar or rolling pin, whatever you have at home. So this is 250 grams of cottage cheese, farmer's cheese, turo, and about half teaspoon of, you can use lemon peel, lime peel, orange peel, mandarin peel, whatever citrus peel you like. And this is our cookie crumbs. Add about 3 tablespoons to the cottage cheese. Then add 3 tablespoons of honey, pure honey. Now we're just gonna mix it until completely combined. I have this lemon marmalade, and I'm gonna add in once creamy and nice like this. We're gonna mold it into balls. So it can be 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, it's up to you. Now I have this mold, so I'm just gonna take some filling of cheesecake. You can even round it like this, or you can press it onto the mold to make it the same size. Now just run your spatula to make it even and clean, and scrape it in like so. Now we're gonna freeze it until hardened. Once out of the mold, you can dip them in melted chocolate right away like this, or you can attach half and half and make it like a ball, a full ball instead, half sphere, like so. I also mold as sticks, just like Turogolyo. In microwave 30 seconds intervals. Melt some chocolate, and you can add a little vegetable oil. The toothpick, and then just dip it and coat.